Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a shape transparent partially or completely. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element. Now click on this shape. Now go this comment option and here you will find this properties option. Click here and I will make this shape transparent and this transparency option and see this. Here you can transparent partially and see this one also transparent this one. Here you can transparent, see this transparent color and only fill color gone and border color remains same. Also you can partially transparent this border color also if you want and see this. Yeah, this is in this way you can transparent only border color or remove fill color and partially you can remove this one and so on. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.